Meanwhile, the AFP has expressed alarm over the latest incident of Chinese harassment in Bajo de Masinloc. AFP spokesman Colonel Restituto Padilla said mariners have a code that allows the refuge of vessels in safe waters during inclement weather. He added, however, that under the circumstance, Filipino fishermen were not allowed by the Chinese. Padilla said the military will work closely with the Department of Foreign Affairs in pursuing a peaceful resolution of the issue.
Yung mga pangyayari naman po na dyan sa may Bajo de Masinloc, nakaka-disturb po yan. We are deeply concerned and alarmed that all these developments in the Bajo de Masinloc and the welfare of our fishermen is very alarming. That's why we continue to work with the Department of Foreign Affairs to ascertain all this information and work with them in documenting all these occurrences so that we can add this to our case.